Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a highly anticipated and requested video, and that is an updated apartment tour. I'm going to show you guys my living room, kitchen, and my office slash girl cave to show you the progress I've made so far, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas. Okay, so before I get started on the new digs, take a peek at my apartment, my old apartment before I left. Me decluttering. I have a video that I'll link below and above showing this, but I want to give a big shout out to Poshmark. I thank God for this app. This app was actually influential in helping me to be able to furnish my new place because I was able to sell a lot of stuff I wasn't using or didn't want anymore on the Poshmark app, and I was able to collect the cash. I absolutely love this app. If you're not sure what Poshmark is, it is an app you can use on your phone, of course, but you can sell and buy items. It's the easiest way to me to sell items to clean out your closet. It's also not just for selling. You can also shop too, and they have like major designer brands up to 70% off. I'll put a link below to where you guys can download the app as well as follow my closet, and I'll be adding more things to my closet as I go along with decorating my new apartment and getting it all organized. Okay, back to present day. This is what my living room looks like now, just to give you an overview. I love that there's so much light in here as opposed to my old living room. It was really dark, and I love how light and airy it is. So I opted to get a new couch. If you remember my old one, it was brown and just, I was over it, and I wanted everything to be really bright in this apartment and do like neutrals with pops of pink. So this is what I came up with. I love this couch and setup because it's so comfy. I also did a bar cart, and this is just a rolling cart that I got from Michael's, and I just added cute, girly, feminine things that I thought went with the decor as well as was functional. Functionality was a big point for me when decorating my apartment. I want it to look cute, but I also want to be able to use it. So I did like a cute little Pinterest-ish kind of setup for my bar cart, and this will be here for when I have company and when I have friends over or just when I'm entertaining, and I think it's good decor. Okay, so my couch is new. As you can see, I don't have that old brown couch anymore. Now I have this one, and I will link below the pillows. I got all my pillows from Amazon, Target, and HomeGoods. When it comes to my poster on the wall, I got it from Etsy. I'll link the shop below, and the poster frame I got from Amazon, which I will link that below as well. I wanted to do something that was minimalistic and clean and classy, but also very feminine and girly, and to me, the Chanel poster just did the trick. I love that this is wide and not necessarily long because it balances out the living room and the wall space. So like I said, everything on my couch is either from Target, HomeGoods, or Amazon, so I will link all of that. Here's another overview of everything. Also to my coffee table setup, I got the idea from Pinterest, and I also got the books, well, one of them from Etsy, the Vogue book, and then the All in Good Taste I got from Amazon. The holder that I got as well as the centerpiece is from HomeGoods. So I also put in these mood lights, and I have one around my TV, one on my bar, and then another one on my cabinets. And I really like this because you could just change the light to match any mood, whether it's calm or you're hype or you just feel like having the lights on. It's pretty cool. Got that from Walmart, so I'll link those below. My end table or my side table, I don't know how you would say it, is from HomeGoods. I love this little thing because it also has a power outlet in it, so I can charge my computer and my phone and get work done while I am lounging on the couch. So I really love that. And this is pretty much my living room setup. Simple, minimal, clean, but to me, it also looks really good and cute and inviting, and I like being in an environment that inspires me and that I want to be. Here is an update on my office. So this is the entire room. I have not yet gotten to decorate or organize this room. This is literally stuff thrown in here from moving randomly. So as you can see, it's pretty basic, it's pretty bare, but I seriously cannot wait. This is my next room to decorate and organize and just make into my woman cave. So over here, I just have a style rack that actually ended up there by default. So I think I'm gonna do pinks and nudes on here. Over here is like my little office area. This is gonna get a makeover. Over there is where I keep my lights for now. Here's my vanity. It's just enough space, but I'm trying to decide if it's borderline too small. So you may see a revamp of this, I don't know. And then this is just like my luxury style rack. By default, it just ended up being that. And then this is my bathroom. This is like the one that I use the most. This is like my actual like bathroom that I use a ton. So I don't know what else I'm gonna do to this bathroom. It's kind of just supposed to be functional and not cute. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, here it goes. I painted that at Painting with a Twist. So I put that up there. I like it. It's kind of ratchet, but I like it. So yeah, this is my office girl cave area. Updated, I guess, but still very bare and basic. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini apartment tour and update. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more apartment updates. Make sure to thumbs up if you like this video and you want me to make more, but also hit that bell button so you're notified when I do upload more. But before you go, let me know what you would like to see next. Would you like to see a closet tour, or would you like to see another part of the house? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in my next video.